If you have a house in Rocky River, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Rocky River, Ohio. And in this brief video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Rocky River prefer to work with us as a direct buyer rather than going the traditional process of selling with a real estate agent or selling to a buyer who's using a mortgage. So first things first, people love working with us because we're going to buy your house in Rocky River in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. You can take anything that you want out of the house, anything that you don't want, you simply could leave behind and we will take care of it for you. There's no trips to the Home Depot, there's no cleaning the house or cleaning out the garage or fixing anything. There's no money out of your pocket for us to buy this house in its as-is condition. What allows us to buy these houses in their as-is condition is we use cash. So we're not relying on the approval of a mortgage or some type of lender or some type of bank. That's what you're going to get with a traditional buyer. We're not like that. We're not a traditional buyer. We're a cash buyer. So we will buy the house as is without thorough inspections or appraisals. When it comes to a traditional buyer, if they're using a mortgage lender, that's just a fancy name for a bank. You know as well as I do, the bank has their own best interests in mind. So they're going to send this thorough inspector through. This person's going to spend hours in your house testing every single outlet, testing every single ceiling fan and light switch, and opening and closing every single door. It's an absolute nightmare. And all of this, what they're compiling pages and pages of things wrong with the house, this could only be used against you. Think about it. It could only be used for discounts or extensions or some type of thing that's going to put you back. You don't need to go through this formal inspections. Also, with a traditional buyer, if they have a real estate agent, they're going to expect you to pay some commission. That's money coming right out of your pocket, right out of the bottom line. And then also, if you survive this thorough inspection, which is terrible, it gets worse because now they got to send their appraiser through. The appraiser typically is going to work directly for the bank, and they're looking for any reason to pull the rug out from under this thing, cancel on you, waste your time. But in real estate, it's not just wasting time, it's wasting money, because every day that goes by, you're paying for insurance, you're paying for property taxes, you're paying for utilities, and there's opportunity cost because you should have closed a long time ago and had your hands on this cash, on the proceeds from the sale. And we're going to be able to provide that for you. Just a clean, easy closing. You tell us when you want to close, and we're going to make it happen for you. So if you have a house in Rocky River you want to get a fair offer on, call us at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website because we were founded in Columbus, but I'm born and raised in the Cleveland area, and we're very familiar with Rocky River houses. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. I just want you to know, we just need to know more information about the house in Rocky River, and then let us know when you want to close and what kind of timeline you're working with. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward, communicate transparently this whole time. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure or gimmicks or sales tactics. That's what you're going to get from these call centers. We are not a call center. We are local. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, as you should be treated. So if you have a house in Rocky River and you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, call us at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.